Hello guys, it's been a while. I hope you are doing good. In this video we are gonna add some background music to our level. So what we need first, we need a sound source. We are gonna use the cues. So how can we change this sound waves to cue? Just import your project and right click and create cue. Okay. So I don't want to this cues too loud, so we can change from here. Default it's gonna be 0.75. I just set it to 0.2. Okay, so let's change this part and let's search for what ambient sound. In ambient sound we can just add our cues, and also we can change this multiplier. So you may not hear, I'm gonna set as higher. So but if this too much higher, we can't hear the other sounds like footstep or interaction sounds, you know. So just listen and set it something lower. Also you can just check this UI sound and you can listen to music. Yes, I hope you like it. See you next time.